New York City, it's only 2 hours drive, 80 miles an hour, Route 95. You get to the outskirts of town, throw your hands in the air, 'cause that road is like a parking lot, 'cause everybody wants to be there. Well, back in the day, take the train down to the dock, hop on a ship just after dark, have a meal, have a drink, maybe a cigar out on deck, turn in for the night, give your soul some rest, awakened by the sight of the sun coming out of the sea, pulling in the port, thinking, man, that was easy. That was the sound of that train. That was the sound of that train. That was the sound of that train in our little town. 71. Same time as my mom said goodbye to a young son. Pretty soon we moved out of our little town, looking for a fresh start. There were no trains around. I get back there sometimes. I head straight down to the dock. I just stare at my grandpa's store and our church with the clock. I miss the sound of that train. I miss the sound of that train. I miss the sound of that train in our little town. I used to love the sound of steel wheels on the track.